Hi all, it's a fan from TechCycle. In this video we are going to unbox Asus TUF Gaming laptop and I'm going to give you guys my initial impression about that device. So let's jump into this video. The TUF laptop that we are going to unbox is FX505. It is like the base gaming laptop from Asus and from this TUF branding. So let's jump into this unboxing. On the box you are going to get the device, the charger and some paperwork. There is nothing extra. This that base thing. This thing cost about 50,000 and on my research on all the laptop under this 50,000 budget, it is the performance beast I can come up with. There is other option like Acer Nitro 5 but it does not have the same performance like this Asus TUF model. So that's why I choose this laptop from the Acer laptop. So there is that. And the first thing about the unboxing experience or the initial impression about this thing is the charger. The charger is heavy. It is like a brick, and in my life it is the first time I'm seeing a charger like this. I saw this type of charger in the videos that I watch, but it is the first time or the real experience of using this type of charger, a brick type charger. Moving on to the device itself, the design of the device, it is a gaming device, so it got that gamery look, and the color pattern is black and red. It is the only color option available when I bought this device, so I really enjoyed this color, so there is no hard feelings about this. Also the laptop is heavy but it's not that heavy. For me it was comfortable, so not feeling on that side too. But if you are like, I don't need a heavy laptop or I don't need this much gamer look, this laptop is not an option for you. There is that. Next, moving on to the display, it got a bezel-less display. There is only a chin at the bottom. Apart from that, it's like a bezel-less display, and the display is so good. It's so good. It is giving that much immersiveness while watching videos and while using the device. I will be honest guys, I was really astonished by the display, and it is the first thing that I noticed while opening the device. That display is so good. Moving on to the keyboard of this laptop, the keys felt soft. That is, when I press or when I type in something, the key press is soft. So I got a mixed feeling because it is not giving that extra feedback that I need. And moving on to the trackpad, it got a Windows Precision driver and it is working perfectly. There is no problem on that. And the only downside of getting this FX505 is the port section. No, not about the USB or any other port. It got like 3 USB-A port, 1 HDMI and 1 LAN cable and an headphone jack. But the problem is that there is no SD card reader. For me, I bought this laptop for my editing experience. There is no SD card reader on that laptop as an inbuilt option, so I need to use a card reader. So there is the downside for me for getting this FX505. And the performance on my initial usage does not felt lag at all. It is working perfectly and there is no problem at all. So that's it. That's all about the initial impression of this FX505 and my unboxing experience of this FX505. I hope you guys find this video useful, and I will post my review video later. I don't know, no ETA, but I will post it. So that's it. That's all about this video guys. Thanks for watching. Talk to you next one, and don't forget to subscribe.